Welcome back to Cooking with Mikey. Today we have a Thanksgiving cooking time. We have 3 side dishes today, and we're gonna start off with those ones. We're gonna start off with our very first super classic, but with a Mikey spin, mashed potatoes. So we're gonna gather up our potatoes first. This is where the Mikey spin comes in. Look at these bad boys. Then, of course, we need some super healthy soy milk for some mashed potatoes. So we're gonna make some mashed potatoes now with our masher we got. So we're just gonna empty the potatoes on a plate. And then we're just gonna get some soy milk right on top. So then we just mix it up. There you go, mashed potatoes. The next side course we're gonna make is gonna be some stuffing. So for the stuffing, we need some bread and some eggs. And then I'm gonna go get a knife of colored bread. And so basically this is not very hard to make for an experienced chef at least. All we're gonna need is maybe 1 piece of bread. And then we're just gonna take the egg and put it on the bread. And then we're gonna put the bread on the pan. Need to get a pan. Time for some pan! Let's get a small pan and put it on the burner with the bread. And just turn that one on there. There you go. So we're just gonna let that cook for about a minute and then flip it on over and then cook it for another minute. Now stand and flip it. Just like that. And then just now let this cook for another minute. '57, '58, '59, '58. And now we're just about done with this. So we just check the other side real quick. That looks nice. That looks very nice actually. So we just put that on the plate. Make sure to turn the burner off. And we're good to go. Almost. All you gotta do is just cut the bread now. Our last little Thanksgiving treat's gonna be some cranberry sauce. But all you need is for cranberry sauce, really, is some Thanksgiving juice and some sugars. So, all you're gonna do is put some juice in there. And then you're just gonna add some sugars to it. That's just about it. All you're gonna do now, just mix it up. And that's our cranberry juice sauce. And now for our main course, we got the most amazing Thanksgiving food, some turkeys. So what's the thing is about the turkeys is that we gotta prepare it to go in the oven. So if we take it, you gotta take it out. That's unfortunate. We're gonna just take it out. That's unfortunate. And let them go. Now for the seasonings, they don't have the most perfect kind of seasoning for us. We don't have the turkey flavor, but we got chicken flavor seasoning. So we can just open it up and get that. And let them go. Just put some turkey on it. And that baby is ready for the oven. And now for our final step, just gonna add some very yummy bacon. There them go. Now it is time to insert it into the oven. That's gonna take that turkey and put it on the oven. There we go. Let that baby sit for a couple minutes and we're just gonna be fine. It's time to put the turkey out of the oven. So we're gonna get our special turkey juice remover and open the oven. And just gonna get all the juice in there. See how we're gonna do it. That's about good. Basically now we can just take it out of the oven. Look at that beauty of a turkey. Oh my goodness. And now to finally put together our Thanksgiving meal, we just gotta plate this turkey. Now that we're all done cooking, we can start enjoying our meals. So let's start with the side courses, starting with the mashed potatoes. That's pretty yummy. The next side which we're gonna try is our stuffing with our cranberry sauce. Just get some of that on there. Nice even coating. Let's move on to the turkeys. And finally, the main course of our Thanksgiving dinner. Let's see how she turns out. Looks nice and tender in there. Gets a little bit of, get some sauce on it. That's a Thanksgiving meal right there. You want some? I get the whole thing on myself. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.